Yo guys, I hope everyone's doing well today. This is another trading recap that we took. The trade ended up being 1,520, but I did lose, I think it was $112 at the start because I didn't trust my bias and I was a bit emotional. So then I re-entered again, and then just turned off my computer. Anyways, this was a high risk trade, but low RR, as you guys can see. I could have targeted all the way to this fair value gap, which is likely price is gonna draw to, but we just targeted literally that, this wiki. Anyways, so basically my daily bias was bearish, because London session we made this run up and price had to retrace somehow. Because I didn't think price will keep on going up higher and higher, even though that was NQ. NQ was showing that. NQ was showing it was very bullish. Let me just show you. Yeah, so we started off bullish but waited. Anyways, we got a bearish SMT. So once I saw that bearish SMT, I knew that price was gonna go down. Anyways, so then I saw this 5-minute order block. Price came all the way down, came back up, and then I saw this 5-minute fair value gap, which price kept on consolidating a lot, and this is where my emotion started to kick in. I was very, very emotional in this part. So when price started consolidating, I was like, fuck this, why am I in this shit trade for? So that's when I was going to cancel it. Because look, price kept going up, down, up, down, up, down. So then I think I re-entered around C again or something, I'm not too sure. After I lost $112. Yeah, after when price kept consolidating, I was like, just stick the fucking trade. I literally turned off my monitor, turned the other way, and started watching TikToks to keep my mind occupied. I was going to be very emotional. I couldn't just, I reckon I would have stopped the trade or whatever. So I had to get away from my setup. And that's what I need to control, is my emotions. Yeah, anyways, we saw this fair value gap, price keeps consolidating and then stopped, and I said my take profit since it was low RR but high risk reward. I risked a lot, and we just literally targeted this wick, or this liquidity, this row of liquidity right here. I see price obviously going down all the way down here, touching this. That was a 1 hour fair value gap. But yeah, this was one of my, I have not been emotional in a very, very long time. I think it's because there was a lot on the line on risking, but I just need to control my emotions somehow, because I was right at the start, but I cancelled the trade, losing $112. So that could have been max max profit taking on the 50k. Anyways, we move forward. Yeah, this was, I don't know, I'll say this was not an A+ setup. This price was very bad, I can't lie. Even though I followed my trading setup, We got an order block, price came down, bush, retrace, fair value gap. Consolidating. That's why it wasn't an A+ setup. It wasn't smooth price. Yeah, so that's basically the setup and the trade I took today. Yeah, so this week on the trading combine I made 2,200 and something. So we only took 2 trades this week and we're 2 out of 2. Don't want to jinx myself. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep on going. And yeah, I remember fucking last month I was on a mad losing streak. I literally for a month straight. And you just gotta keep going, and eventually everyone gets out of those situations. I promise you that. Just don't lose hope, and yeah, keep on going, man. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to follow the journey. I'll catch you in a bit. See ya.